Alright, about 5:45 on June 25th, 2024, and I'm at Eagle Lake in Fort Custer. I'm going to give it a try. Try the windy side first, jerkbait, and I don't know what else to try. So we're just going to work around, see if we get any bites on that. We might end up frog fishing a little bit. It's really breezy right now, kind of a steady breeze, so it'll probably be hard to hear me. So try to talk loud. Really hard. Good picture of that one. What? No skunk, I guess. Feels like a spinnerbait day. Let's try a spinnerbait for a while. In these pads right here, and then we'll probably work inside this island where it's kind of a little bit calmer and try a frog for a while, I guess. Nothing else is working. Nothing else. Two other things I tried. Blow up on the frog, so let's try a jig and pig. And along this side of the island, this is north side, I guess. And I know there's some wood sunk down in there. And there's some deep water close by. Maybe there's something down deep that'll hit a jig and pig. Bluegill down his throat, so he's eating at least. Ooh, and he's 14 1/4, so a keeper. Maybe there's more. Take a frog for a whopper for a little while, fish over this weedy flat. What was that? Did you see it? Bass? Probably not. Stick with this for about 20 minutes, see what happens. It's already 7:20, so we don't have about an hour. about to run into that other part of the lake. Since I hadn't done anything over in this lake, but I don't want to waste the time, I guess. All right, that's probably only 10 minutes, but let's try to go in that other part of the lake. Okay, we're gonna fish kind of like we do for spawning bass. Usually no weeds within about 20 feet of shore, but there's lots of logs and there's a weed edge. It's about 5 or 6 feet deep, so good little spot. We're just going to work a jerk bait, maybe a couple of other baits right along this weed edge and shoreline. And hope we get something figured out in the half hour we got left. Are in this lake. It's done a weed kill at some point. Oh, a 14, 15 incher. Weeds right here on this point, kinda. So let's go for a little bit. Probably what we should be throwing this whole time, but we haven't. Yep, probably what we should have been throwing. Huge. Just like the one we lost, kind of. Let him have it too long, I guess. Swallowed it. Sorry about that, dude. I didn't realize you had it. And a half incher. There's a concentration of fish right here since the weeds are all pretty much gone. A lot of this spot right here. Just a clump of weeds might hold multiple bass, hopefully. Like I said, I was really hoping for a better day. I had pretty bad storms this morning though. Lots of wind and rain. So might shut the fish off kind of just. And a lot of strong thunderstorms this past month. Tornado. Crazy. Alright, pretty small patch of weeds. Let's try this one other little point. That real quick and probably about time to go. 8 o'clock. Gosh. Hook. Why am I throwing them away? Bad cut, and it wasn't me, I promise. wish they'd cut right in the back. Well, if I would have come back here sooner, I probably could have caught more fish. Usually when one side's good, the other side's bad, and vice versa. But just fishing sinkos around weed patches for the most part. That one jerkbait fish I lost. And what? 2 fish that I've caught, so I've really figured them out. If you come here, that's what I would look for, I guess. We get one more. We gotta go a few more casts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Click subscribe and have a good day. Let me know how you've been doing on Eagle Lake and Fort Custer.